Hello everyone. Today's video we are going to learn how to create and customize simple relationship into Collibra DGC. In Collibra we have two types of relationship. The first one is simple relationship, that is one to one, means one of the asset will have a relationship with another asset and vice versa. But in complex relationship, one asset can have a relationship with multiple assets. Anyway, so today's tutorial is or the session is for creating a customized simple relationship. In this particular domain, that is physical data dictionary, we have certain assets like table, detail column and column. We have used these three asset types so far, and our detail column asset type is a customized asset type. So obviously, as of now, there is no relationship has been created with detail column asset type. Now today we are going to create a relationship which will say this particular table is having this particular detail type, or this table contains this particular detail column. To do that, we'll go into the settings again, and we'll navigate to this characteristics, and where we have relations. Now we'll click on relation, and to create a customized relation we need to click on this add button. Now this window will pop up. You will have to fill certain information here. Now you can see there is four fields you need to select or fill it up, that is head, role, tail and co-role. In the head you need to mention the asset type from which the relationship is starting. In our case that is table, so you will select table, and our tail will be detail column, so it will end here this relationship. Now what type of relationship we need to create? A relationship has two way, right? Obviously. So in this case our relationship is table contains detail column, so in the role you need to mention contains. So at the same time, when a table contains a detail column, obviously this detail column asset type is a part of this table. So in the core role you will mention is part of, and you can give a description here, which for this time being I'm keeping blank as it is not mandatory. So you'll go and click on this create button, and you will have a notification when this particular relationship has been created. So here it is, relation type was created successfully. Now you need to assign it with the certain asset type. So for that, what you need to do, you need to search here the relationship, that is with head is table, we are searching with table, and here is our newly created relationship, that is table contains detail column. Now we'll click on table, it will navigate to the asset page, and we'll click on global assignment. Now here you need to add that newly created relationship into this particular asset. Now you have to click on edit and click on add characteristic. Now here you will get option relationship, and you can search or you can find it here, contains detail column relation. You can select it, this is our relationship to be add, and at the bottom you can find the relationship has been added with this particular asset types, and you can go ahead and click on save. Now we'll navigate to our original physical data dictionary, and we'll check whether the newly created customized relationship is usable into this physical data dictionary or not. For that, before that, we'll reload this page or refresh so that the new changes are reflecting, and you will go into these 9 dots again and click on fields and select fields. Here we'll click on the relations tab and search for our keyword, that is contents for the relationship, and we can see our newly created relationship here, table contents detail column. We'll select it and update, and you can give a name here for this relationship which will be reflecting into your template. So it is done, and we'll click on save. Now we can find it here on the table 1, table contents detail column. Now to select an relationship, as I have shown into the second video, you just need to go here and type out the name of the particular asset. Now as we have only one detail column asset type, that is d underscore column, it is showing here as a suggestion, so you will select it and click on this tick button, and that is done. And when you save it, after saving, if you go into this particular table asset type, there will be a option diagram where you can see the relation. You click on this diagram. So the library has been loaded and you can see our asset table is here. If you go into this right 3 dot, you will have an option called explore, and when you go into this explore, you can see table contents detail column and all the relation. If you click on this table contents detail column relation, you can see a lineage, like this table contains this particular detail column detail column type. So that's it from today. Thank you.